Hello and welcome to Center 1 of our Insect Life Cycles unit. This center has a ton of options, so I recommend you familiarize yourself with the materials, think about the age you're dealing with, and then kind of pick and choose what you do. But it has two parts. One is talking about metamorphosis, and then one is talking about the anatomy of a grasshopper. So there's an envelope with a ton of extra info. I'm not going to take all that out, but it can help you get the background information you need. There are wheels, life cycle wheels, that you can go over, talking about incomplete metamorphosis, which is where the bug hatches from an egg into a nymph. So just a smaller version of the adult, and then kind of molts to get to its normal size. And then there's complete metamorphosis, which would be like a moth or a butterfly that goes two completely different looking creatures. So you can kind of go over the differences there and show some examples. For the younger kids, this is a fun one. These are just little plastic models of the major stages of metamorphosis. So you can have them put those in order from egg to larva to pupa to adult, and then they can kind of visually see how it works. And there's a few different ones of those they can pass around. We're going to have two of these puzzles, and this is a 6-sided puzzle, and each side has a different life cycle of an insect. So butterfly looks like praying, I'm trying to look at the back here, praying mantis, a beetle, an ant, a ladybug, and a moth. So that could be fun. You could split them into teams and have them do a race, who can build the butterfly puzzle first or whatever. Just make sure you then discuss and really make it educational as far as learning the life cycle of the different types of insects. So that's part 1, and you could probably fill the whole time with that if you choose. It's just talking about metamorphosis. The other part is talking about grasshopper and the body parts of a grasshopper. So we have a key here, and then this is what all the different pieces look like. And then we have several different examples. So this is kind of the puzzle center, I guess, is what connects the two parts. We have different sets of the puzzle. So again, you can have them race to put it together and then talk about the different parts of the grasshopper. So it's lots of fun, very hands-on. Just make sure you are, once they get done with the fun kind of game part, that you're also going into detail about what they're supposed to be learning as far as the stages of the life cycle, the body parts, and all that stuff. So again, have fun with this one. Very interactive, very high interest. Pick what works for you. And if you have any questions or if we're missing anything, please just email us at mitchellelf@gmail.com. Thanks.